I have 60% more than Adela.
I have 35% less than Michelle.
So how much do we have in terms of ratio? I think we need to find a common base. How do we do it?
You have to make your percentage the same, Michelle. And then Adela and Ushal's percentage has to reduce by the corresponding amount.
So you mean if I divide 160% by 8, Adela's 100% will also need to divide by 8?
That's right. Now you will have 20 versus Adela's 12.5 in terms of ratio. The other thing you need to do is to reduce your 100% to 20. So you divide by.
I know, I divide by 5 and Usha's 65 should also divide by 5.
Great. Now you can have 3 ratios. Next you will need to find a way to remove the decimal in your ratio. This is because you cannot have decimals. So you will multiply all by 2, you will get Ushal 26, Adela 25 and Michelle 40 units. Next you will need to show this. Michelle and Adela gave Ushal some cards in the ratio 3:1. Which means, Michelle gave 3 parts while Adela gave 1 part. Ushal will have additional 4 parts. As a result, Ushal had 1.5 times more than before. So we have to multiply Ushal 26 by 1.5 to get 39 units, and you will discover that 4 parts is actually, yes you guessed it, 13 units. Since we know that 4 parts equals 13 units, we can find out in terms of units how much Adela and Michelle gave away. 1 part equals 3.25 units and 3 parts equals 9.75 units. Now we can find out how much Adela and Michelle had after given to Ushal. For Adela, 25 minus 3.25 will give 21.75 units. For Michelle, 40 minus 9.75 will give 30.25 units. Given that Michelle had 238 more cards than Adela in the end, we will have to compare their ratios once again to find out 238 cards is equal to how many units. So we take 30.25 minus 21.75. We will have 8.5 units. Since 8.5 units equal to 238 cards, by simple ratio, 1 unit will equal to 28 cards. Yippee! If you refer to earlier ratio, Michelle had 40 units at first and then had 30.25 units at the end. This means, she gave away 9.25 units. Since we know 1 unit is 28, so 9.25 units is equal to 273.